Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is the headliners here on my PC guys. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, watch the video until the end. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself guys, so you can learn it how to do it by yourself as well. So we're going to continue this tutorial immediately. I just need to turn the camera right now to show you all the steps you need to do in order to get the game. So as you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get the copy of the game. So it doesn't matter the device you are using, iOS or Android, it can be iPhone, can be any Android device. The steps are going to be the same. We're going to get the game code guys, which you can have to get a copy of the game. So basically how it works, I'm going to share with you step by step now. All you have to do guys, you have to go to internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google or any kind of internet browser that you like to prefer. It doesn't really matter. Just go and type here in the searching bar lulucoupons.com. Okay, so once you're gonna enter in guys, you have a lot of other stuff inside. You can check later if you're interested. I'm just gonna you can do it also dark mode over here in the corner. You can use a searching bar or just scroll it down. I'm gonna try to use a searching bar not to lose too much time and type the head. Okay, just may refresh it one more time the page, maybe any error. One more time, the head, here it is. Just press on it and then you have information here. All right, and get the code. So you just have to press show coupon code guys. You just need to wait a couple of seconds so the process to get done. They are checking for the validity of the coupons, and here we are, and here it's going to say guys that you need to get the full code guys because the code it's locked. So what you have to do, you need to unlock the code, so get the full code guys, and it's going to redirect you to another page where it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. Is very simple to do it guys. You just need to read instructions. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you right now as well. So it says here on the top, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock the headliners game code. If you have a node, do not use VPN or proxy because probably it's going to fail if you do this. So as you can see here down below, you're gonna have this list guys. All these apps are for free. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything. So all you have to do guys, you just need to choose 2 of the apps to complete it as a task in order to unlock the code. So as I mentioned before, steps are for free. All the apps are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to do anything outside official stores. Just choose 2 of these apps, which one is most easy and simple for you to do it, okay? So you don't lose too much time. So how it works, once you're gonna choose it guys, you need to read the instruction which is required so you can complete correctly. So me, I did it for example, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. I'm gonna do a new one so you can see. For example, game point, you press on it and it says you just need to follow the steps in the next page to unlock the content, which it means it's a very simple task to do it. And it shows again the instruction what you have to do. Is going to take me to the App Store, but I need to search about bingo games in the searching bar and then find the game point bing. So search in App Store. So I just need to install this app guys and just to open it. So it's like less than 1 minute. All right, just let me refresh one more time here. Okay, here we are, search in the App Store. So as you can see, it gets connected with me with the App Store, and if you're using Android, it's going to do it with the Play Store practically. So I need to search bingo games as the request, as per request practically, and here it is the game. You just need to get it. Let me just put my okay, and I'm going guys to speed up this one, so not to lose too much time. Let me just open the game and do the other one, and then I'll come back to you after I finish so I can share with you what you have to do. Okay guys, I just finished the task. I completed game point bingo and family island. So if you go back here, you see family island, game point bingo. So basically now what you have to do after you complete the task, you just need to get back on the site, and as you can see, it's going to pop up the code's going to get unlocked. So you check it, just copy the code guys, give a like to the site if you like it, and basically this is it guys. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section guys, and if you need any help, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos guys. Cheers.